This is a Suzuki King Quad 300, 1998. I got it new in December 98, and it's been an awesome machine over the years. 26 years old now, and it's never failed. I don't use it a whole lot for high-speed work. It's mostly 10 to 15 kilometer an hour work, towing heavy items in a trailer, and I've done oil changes on it and differential change of oil, and it's been great, no issues. The only issue I had was recently, and that was when it would start up and I give it some gas, it would sputter and it wouldn't move. So I did some electrical tests and found that it was the voltage regulator. I measured the voltage across the batteries when it was running, and it was coming out at 18 volts. And as I revved it and it went over 18 volts, that's when it would start to sputter and stall. So I just got this new voltage regulator on Amazon. It cost $20 with tax, and just put it on and reattach the battery just to test it. And so this is what it sounds like. So no sputtering at all. That obviously did the job, and I'm gonna clean it up now, grease all the joints, and get it ready for working some more.